skies start to open up. Sun begins to shine down. Parts the clouds, the earth is constantly spinning round and round. All the wind in the air still cannot put out the fire now. When the rain came, washed it down from the clouds. Every second, listen, you can hear another drop splash on the aftermath. She is our Mother Nature, and we are all trapped inside the feel of wrath. Tornadoes, earthquakes and typhoons, cyclones, hurricanes, thunder and lightning striking. Beware of the cold you go, so froze you can't feel your toes no more. So beware of that girl, Mother Nature. Yeah, that whore, it's too late. Just take shelter, helter skelters coming your way. It's too straight to your door. When it rains it pours. That's what's gone reborn into the storm again. It's not a normal percent below freezing degrees. Jeez, your fingers are missing the tips because this bitch Mother Nature told you be prepared. Now it's too late. You're right in the eye of the storm. She don't blink, she'll sneeze, wipe this whole place away. Pay homage to the Queen, Her Highness, sitting up high and controlling the clouds with the winds blowing around. Violent, how it's been in the night and again and again, and come to take us down. And what's left of all your town when she comes around? How the summer breeze just makes me feel so fine. This nature must be feeling divine. Don't let her get pissed, because you never know when the tornado is wind and whining coming just to find you and rip off the roof, and you try to run and hide underneath some shelter, but it only will work if she decides there's nothing you can really do. She out to get you, out to get you. She will find you, let me tell you. I'll remind you, Mother Nature is not your friend. Every time I feel the wind blowing in, I'm reminded that she's not my friend. Again and again, Mother Nature could take your weather with you. We don't need this missing time.